I got some deliveries, and this time it is from It's a Habit. It's a Habit is known for pairing a happy and a healthy food together. They are to send this during my birthday, but I asked them to send it a week after so that I can really enjoy their food alone. Wow, loving this postcard or this greeting card. Thank you so much for appreciating me, making you smile, and thank you so much for making more Filipinos smile also through your projects. Wow, Nax, may pag-greeting man. Thank you so much, oy. They are also distributing here in Cebu their family recipe Spanish sardines all the way from Dipolog in corn oil, olive oil, and tomato sauce variant. And Ana, this is what really excites me. Kaya they are already offering their healthy bundles. As they have now their pancit bihon with crispy bagnet and tofu for delivery. Also, all their other best sellers too, like their chicken barbecue, grilled tuna belly, slow-cooked grilled barbecue pork belly, and their grilled beef sukiyaki. And ang kanitanan nilang grilled meat kay perfect yung kaayo parisan sa ilahang plant bowl or their keto bowl. You can also order these grilled meats in value meals that usually comes with rice. But always remember to buy a bilao of pancit bihon with crispy bagnet at a medium size for 299 pesos only. And you can have the Spanish sardines for 110 pesos only for the spicy corn oil and tomato sauce, and 170 pesos for the extra virgin olive oil. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts of It's a Habit. And of course, para healthy, unahon gid na to ang plant ball. And guess what? This is only 190 pesos. And to be honest, lami sad siya na galing i-topping or i-pair sa ilahang pancit bihon. See? The pancit bihon nga naagyo tofu. And what excites me silang bihon kay ang crispy bagnet, di ba? So tofu plus bagnet, perfect pair. Plus this keto ball, murag perfect na kaayo og lami gyud kaayo. And lubos-lubosin lang gyud nato, pares na dito sa beef sukiyaki, and of course this tuna belly nga for me worth it kaayo ang 280 pesos ngun ani kadako ngun ani kayami. This chicken that normally comes with rice for 109 pesos is a great buy also. Humok nya, lanam jud kaayo siya. And of course there's slow cooked grilled barbecue pork belly. So barbecue belly, gali siya nga kanang murag mo melt in your mouth tungod sa kahumok. Yes guys, mga onata. Again, ako gini-flex ang ilahang bagnet sa ilahang bihon kay lami jud kaayo. Plus this pork belly, murag perfect Filipino birthday kaayo, pancit plus pork belly. But always remember guys to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!